This was on the side of the vanity in the bathroom.
So the last thing you saw was probably the panties.
Hang on, let me hold it for you.
Okay. The last thing you saw was probably the panties. Kristen found a pair of panties that fell on the backside of the vanity. And so as we were cleaning the house and finishing up a photo shoot here,
I was like, you guys, I just found underwear. And they were like, you're kidding. And I was like, maybe it's something else. But like, what else could it have been?
like
and
cloth.
Yeah, and it was like part lacy bloomer kind of underwear.
Yeah.
Oh my God, we're exhausted. I feel like this is what we do. We vlog in the car, right? This is our time to chat because we have a second.
Yeah.
So we are heading down to Home Depot this morning. We are going to get some bricks to create a fire pit.
Yes.
Because the one our lovely previous owner left with us is starting to crumble on the bottom and wood is falling through.
And this is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time.
That I've stopped you from doing.
Yeah. And what else did you get to complete it?
Oh, we were at Costco the other day and they had those, like, they're not Adirondack chairs, they're wood folding chairs basically, but they're so cool. And Michael and I saw them when we used them when we stayed in Idlewild a few years back for our anniversary, and we were obsessed with them, but they're so expensive, and West Elm was the only place that sold them. Well, they had them at Costco for 50 bucks. Okay, 60 bucks. They were $57.99, whatever. Very excited. We're gonna put those around the fire pit.
So we'll take you on that journey today.
We should have filmed before to see how high your wheels were, and then after. 36 and only a foot later. So how often would you say we charge this guy?
We've had it up since, what's that, for July, August?
Yeah.
I believe. And I've charged it like 3 times.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Every 2 to 3 months you charge it. This is it's called a home? Like home? I think it's iHome. I don't know.
Oh, it sees us right now.
Yeah.
It's on.
It also has a night vision mode, and the cool thing is it has an SD card in there, so you don't need to pay for like a cloud service or anything. So we just got a really big SD card, and it's like not even close to being full.
Awesome, and it's tiny.
It's like the tiny kind, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, just plug it in.
Cool.
It's not
Sweet.
exciting.
Okay, cool. I just wanted to share.
Yeah.
So he's backing it in, which makes so much sense, honestly. Why haven't we done this before?
This hasn't always been opened, and I don't know.
Smart.
So I just completely finished this and realized that I wasn't filming, that I didn't press record. So, my bad. But here it is.
are you? I'm refilling our soap dispensers. So Michael's outside making the bonfire, and I'm beginning the cleaning process. So I'm refilling our soap dispensers with a soap I really love, more of a natural soap. The one that I have here is from Marshall's, I believe. It's like a lemon. And I poured the rest of it into the one that we have in the kitchen. This one was almost out, and that one still has some in it.
I did it again. I just put this here and I forgot to film it. I'll get better one of these days. I don't know, what do you think about it there? Is it good, or should we put it behind it? All done.
Just gotta shake out the road.
Yep. Look at how cool the sun comes through the house. It looks so cool.
We need to talk about what you just said. I'm so lucky. He said. So it is, what day is it?
Wednesday.
Wednesday, April 20th. And we're heading to the house because we're getting our laundry delivered.
Our what?
Our washer delivered.
We're getting a new washer.
We've already talked about this, but we're on our way, and the drop-off time was supposed to be 4. It's 1:30, and they're already dropping it off. So we like hopped in the car and we're going. I asked Michael on our way, did you pay for installation? And I already knew the answer was going to be no. And he was like, no. And then he goes, you're so lucky.
Well, there's a lot of people out there that have to pay extra for all these things when
you can just do it all.
You can do it all, but like their guy can't do it. And I'm saying you're so lucky.
You can do it.
I'm saying you're lucky that you have somebody that can do it for you.
A handy man.
Yeah.
Thank you. I am very, very blessed, I would say, versus lucky. Let's get to the house. That thing is huge.
Oh, the front flowers bloomed.
Did they?
Yeah, see them? They finally shot up.
Oh, in the aloes?
Yeah, I need to water them more. They're
shriveling up.
Yeah,
wow, that's
giant.
That's freaking massive.
All right, let's get this puppy locked and loaded.
I'm so lucky.
We have a little bird nest up above the garage right here. There's a little bird nest. Did you guys take our floor mat? They actually might have. Look at this one hanging down. It's probably part of the floor mat.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
It's a good spot.
It is a good spot.
Yeah. The quails. Can you see the quails? Alright, the hoses are disconnected. The drain is undrained. And the
plug is unplugged.
Undone.
I was gonna tell you, it sounded like there was a bee in the house. I couldn't tell if it was a horsefly or a bee. Oh my God, oh my God. I'm so lucky. You got it. I'm joking. Good job. You got it. Okay, that's why. Not really dressed for this kind of stuff, huh?
Oh, wow. Oh, shit. She birdie.
She is. She's massive. Yeah. I don't know if it's doing her justice, though. Look at this thing, you guys. Holy.
I guess it's up higher than the other one.
This is how it is. You upgrade one thing, and then you have to upgrade another thing right after it. It's like
no guy.
Check inside.
Ah, it's inside. I see it. Bedding.
Normal's 56 minutes. But then you have to make sure that your soil level is heavy.
Yeah.
Cool. Woohoo! We did it! Alright, so while we wait for the washer, Michael has derobed and is cleaning up.
Just trying to get an even base, you know?
Yeah. Cleaning up all of the detritus. Look at that.
These new sprouts that came up.
Yeah. So he's just cleaning it up, making it look nice. That guy's dead, I think. It's looking rough. So I'm going to go in the house. I'm going to remake the queen bed. So it looked like it was a little messed up. I don't think that they changed the sheets out because there was a spider on the bed, like it had been there for a minute, and there was hair all over the bed. So I'm assuming people that stayed may not have used the room, but they definitely did some stuff in the room. You know what I mean? I'm glad we came because there were some things. There were like extra soaps and makeup wipes, too much stuff like out, trying to save money. We're budgeting here with the house. So yeah, there's just little things that I'm gonna do myself. Okay, so I just finished doing the weeds that Michael had initially started pulling. He had to go get back to work. But right now I am making a little solution for a cowboy pool with peppermint oil. I found this on Instagram. My mom actually sent this to me, that if you use peppermint oil and like half a little thing of peppermint oil like this, I used half of this, and about 6 to 8 ounces of water in a spray bottle, and spray it around your pool or your tub. Bugs aren't supposed to come around with the peppermint oil. We're gonna test it out. We'll see how it goes. I'll really put it to the test when our friends are out here in about a week or so. But I'm gonna do it anyway, preventative measure, and then I'll spray again when we come back.
One of the coolest features about this washer is it has like a super speed rinse thing, and the biggest problem with being an Airbnb host is that you have so much laundry to do, and blankets and towels and sheets and all that stuff. So we got this because it has a super speed wash, and what it does is it spins it really fast and gets a lot of the water out, so it takes less time in the dryer. So we've done a couple loads now. Actually, it's super nice, so no complaints. You can also like program it from your phone to like start at a certain time, and you can remote start it and stuff like that. But I don't think we need those features. So all in all, good day here. We are about to head out and go back home. We have guests checking in tomorrow, I believe. One day I will clean this garage. I know you've seen it, but we just come in here to fix things, and this is my next obstacle that I need to tackle. So, fun.
I really don't like leaving either. How you doing?
I'm gonna attempt to put this bad boy back up, because why not?
Pray for no wind.
No wind storms.
Yeah, just a light breeze.
Yeah.